इस्लामियत MCQS दूसरा वीडियो। टेस्ट कमीशन एंड पटवारी। फॉर मोर इंफॉर्मेशन सब्सक्राइब चैनल। माइग्रेशन टू मदीना हिजरत। 1. Migration from Mecca to Medina is called A. Jihad, B. Hijrat, C. Ghazwa, D. Bayat. Answer B. 2. Hijrat of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took place in A. 6 Safar AD, B. 6 AD, C. 622 AD, D. 6 Safar AD. Answer C. 3. The Islamic calendar started from A. Birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, B. First revelation, C. Conquest of Mecca, D. Hijrat to Medina. Answer D. 4. Who accompanied the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam during Hijrat? A. Hazrat Umar Ra, B. Hazrat Ali Ra, C. Hazrat Abu Bakr Ra, D. Hazrat Hamza Ra. Answer C. 5. In which cave did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stay during Hijrat? A. Cave Hira, B. Cave Thaw, C. Cave Uhud, D. Cave Badr. Answer B. Che. Who slept on the bed of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the night of Hijrat? A. Hazrat Abbas Ra, B. Hazrat Umar Ra, C. Hazrat Ali Ra, D. Hazrat Zubair Ra. Answer C. 7. The people of Medina were earlier known as A. Quraish, B. Banu Hashim, C. Ansar, D. Aus and Khazraj. Answer D. 8. First mosque built by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after Hijrat. A. Masjid-e-Haram, B. Masjid-e-Nabawi, C. Masjid-e-Quba, D. Masjid-e-Aqsa. Answer C. Ghazwat. No. Battles fought under the leadership of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are called A. Jihad, B. Sariya, C. Ghazwat, D. Fatah. Answer C. Thus, total number of Ghazwat fought by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is A. 17, B. 19, C. 27, D. 40. Answer C. 11. The first Ghazwa of Islam was A. Uhud, B. Khandak, C. Badr, D. Tabuk. Answer C. 12. Ghazwa-e-Badr took place in A. 1 B. 2 C. 3 D. 5 Answer B. 13. Ghazwa-e-Uhud was fought in A. 2 B. 3 C. 4 D. 6 Answer B. 14. Who was martyred in Ghazwa-e-Uhud? A. Hazrat Bilal Ra, B. Hazrat Hamza Ra, C. Hazrat Abu Bakr Ra, D. Hazrat Ali Ra. Answer B. 15. Ghazwa-e-Khandak is also called A. Ghazwa-e-Hunain, B. Ghazwa-e-Azab, C. Ghazwa-e-Tabuk, D. Ghazwa-e-Badr. Answer B. 16. Ghazwa-e-Khandak took place in A. 3 B. 4 C. 5 D. 6 Answer C. 17. The idea of digging a trench in Ghazwa-e-Khandak was given by A. Hazrat Ali Ra, B. Hazrat Umar Ra, C. Hazrat Salman Farsi Ra, D. Hazrat Bilal Ra. Answer C. 18. Ghazwa-e-Tabuk occurred in A. 7 B. 8 C. 9 D. 10 Answer C. 19. Which Ghazwa was fought without actual fighting? A. Badr, B. Uhud, C. Khandak, D. Tabuk. Answer D. 20. Purpose of Ghazwat was to A. Spread fear, B. Gain wealth, C. Defend Islam and Muslims, D. Force religion. Answer C. Ethics and etiquette in Islam. MCQS with answers. 1. Ethics in Islam are based on A. Culture. B. Society. C. Quran and Sunnah. D. Personal thinking. Answer C. Though. What is meant by akhlaq? A. Worship. B. Morality and character. C. Law. D. Belief. Answer B. Teen. Which quality is most emphasized in Islam? A. Wealth. B. Power. C. Good character. D. Pride. Answer C. Char. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was sent to perfect underscore 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 underscore. A. Knowledge. B. Worship. C. Good manners. D. Law. Answer C. Punch. Which of the following is a good moral value? A. Backbiting. B. Lying. C. Honesty. D. Pride. Answer C. Che. What does Islam teach about telling lies? A. Allowed. B. Allowed in business. C. Forbidden. D. Encouraged. Answer C. Saath. Greeting others with salam shows A. Pride. B. Anger. C. Humility and love. D. Fear. Answer C. Art. Which act is strongly condemned in Islam? A. Forgiveness. B. Justice. C. Backbiting. D. Patience. Answer C. No. Which quality was best shown in the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. Harshness. B. Anger. C. Mercy. D. Pride. Answer C. Thus, Islam teaches Muslims to A. Hate others. B. Oppress others. C. Respect parents and elders. D. Ignore neighbors. Answer C. 11. Etiquette of eating in Islam includes A. Eating quickly. B. Eating with left hand. C. Saying Bismillah. D. Wasting food. Answer C. 12. Which behavior strengthens society? A. Dishonesty. B. Justice. C. Greed. D. Envy. Answer B. 13. The best among Muslims is the one who A. is rich. B. prays more. C. has best character. D. talks more. Answer C. 14. Islam teaches about neighbors too. A. ignore them. B. harm them. C. respect and help them. D. fear them. Answer C. 15. Which of the following is an Islamic ethical value? A. arrogance. B. forgiveness. C. jealousy. D. hatred. Answer B. 16. Respect for teachers is A. optional. B. discouraged. C. encouraged. D. forbidden. Answer C. 17. Patience sabr in Islam means A. weakness. B. anger. C. self-control. D. fear. Answer C. 18. Islam teaches cleanliness as A. optional. B. half of faith. C. useless. D. culture. Answer B. 19. Ethics in Islam help to build A. weak society. B. strong moral society. C. confusion. D. conflict. Answer B. Peace. Following Islamic etiquette leads to A. social disorder. B. hatred. C. peaceful life. D. loss. Answer C. chastity and modesty. Haya or iffat. Useful for ilmiyat. 1. In Islam, the term haya primarily refers to A. knowledge. B. modesty and shyness. C. wealth. D. leadership. Answer B. modesty and shyness. Wikipedia. Though haya, modesty in Islam, is considered a part of A. strength. B. faith. C. wealth. D. power. Answer B. faith. Wikipedia. 3. The Quran instructs believing men and women to A. compete with each other. B. lower their gaze and guard modesty. C. dress in worldly fashion. D. speak loudly. Answer B. lower their gaze and guard modesty. Wikipedia. 4. Preserving chastity and modesty in Islam primarily helps to a. Increase wealth, b. Build moral character and protect society, c. Encourage free social interaction, d. Promote competition. Answer b. Build moral character and protect society. Wikipedia. Punch. What does Islam command regarding interaction between non-mahram men and women? A. Avoid modest behavior. B. Lower the gaze and avoid free mingling. C. Encourage mixing in public. D. Ignore eye contact rules. Answer B. Lower the gaze and avoid free mingling. Madrasaonline.org. Che. According to the Quran, believers should a. Show off beauty to everyone. B. Lower their gaze and guard their private parts. C. Encourage immodesty. D. Avoid praying. Answer B. Lower their gaze and guard their private parts. Wikipedia. Sath. Modesty here in Islam includes all except a. Modest dress. B. Respectful behavior. C. Provoking sexual desire unintentionally. D. Humble attitude. Answer C. Provoking sexual desire intentionally. Madrasaonline.org. Art. The concept of awra in Islam refers to a place of prayer. B. The intimate parts that must be covered. C. A type of charity. D. Rules of fasting. Answer B. The intimate parts that must be covered. Wikipedia. No. Which surah contains guidance about lowering the gaze and guarding modesty? A. Surah Baqarah. B. Surah An-Nur. C. Surah Yusuf. D. Surah Fatiha. Answer B. Surah An-Nur. Wikipedia. Thus, Islam regards immodesty and indecency as a. Encouraged. B. Disliked but allowed. C. Forbidden and harmful to society. D. Unimportant. Answer C. Forbidden and harmful to society. Respect for humanity. इंसानियत का एहतिराम. 1. In Islam, respect for humanity is based on the belief that all humans are a. Wealthy. B. Equal in dignity. C. Different religions are inferior. D. Only Muslims deserve respect. Answer B. Equal in dignity. Islam teaches that all human beings are honored by Allah regardless of race or status. MCQSquestions.com. Though Allah created humans from a. Water only. B. Fire. C. A single soul. D. Sand and clay only. Answer C. A single soul. The Quran mentions that all humans originate from one soul, emphasizing human equality. MCQSquestions.com. 3. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the best among people are those who a. are richest, b. are tallest, c. have the best character, d. have the most followers. Answer C. have the best character. Islam stresses good character and respect for others as marks of excellence in humanity. MCQSquestions.com. 4. Respect for parents, neighbors, and mankind is categorized in Islam as a. optional practice, b. a part of good manners akhlaq, c. a business deal, d. a historical tradition only. Answer B. A part of good manners akhlaq. Islam strongly links respect for humanity with moral conduct. MCQSquestions.com. Punch. The Quran says that killing one innocent person is like killing a tree, b. one city's population, c. all of humanity, d. a mountain. Answer C. all of humanity. This highlights the sanctity of human life in Islam. MCQSquestions.com. Che. Helping others in difficulty is considered A. Discouraged, B. Desirable and rewarded, C. Unnecessary, D. Only for friends. Answer B. Desirable and rewarded. Islam encourages helping all people regardless of faith or background. MCQSquestions.com 7. Islam commands justice, even if it is against A. One's own self, B. One's enemy, C. One's friend, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Fair treatment of all humans is a core Islamic teaching. MCQSquestions.com Art. The Prophet ﷺ taught that mercy should be shown to A. Only believers, B. Only family, C. All creation, D. Only children. Answer C. All creation. Islamic teachings include mercy toward all people and beings,